friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about BenQ's new 27-inch 4K UHD professional design monitor. So friend, BenQ announced the launch of its newest Ergo Arm series professional monitor, the PD2706UA, and with a customizable ergonomic design and high quality color performance. It features 4K UHD with AQCOLOR technology, 90-watt USB Type-C for one cable connectivity, KVM with one key switch for multitasking, Display Pilot software to better facilitate screen use and support full flexibility through its Ergo Arm, and designed to provide the right angle no matter the presentation or project. PTGQ with BenQ's uniformity technology, delivering corner to corner authentic color and consistent luminance and adaptive modes, and offering quick access to the smoothest workflow as well as supreme work efficiency. And friend, it is Mac compatible with 95% display P3 industry standard color gamut to match Mac devices, and HDR 400 for water brightness, color conformity and click levels, video or audio or data transmission to declutter desktops, and power delivery to charge MacBook, built-in KVM switch allowing designers to control two PCs or Macs of different operating systems with only one set of keyboard and mouse, with a simple switch and high quality color mode for work efficiency and productivity. And when if I talk about the pricing, the new BenQ PD2706UA retails at $629.99, while the PD2705UA is priced at $599.99 and the PD3205UA is priced at $749.99. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.